everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today we'll look into the gas laws. How the gas laws are actually derived, how many gas laws are there, and each and everything regarding the gases. At very first, whenever we are talking about gas laws, so there are major three laws in gaseous states. First law is called Boyle's law. This isn't a deep or depth video, so if you want to look into a deep video, you can view my recent videos or my past videos on Boyle's law, Shor's law, and Avogadro's law. So I'll just give you the statement. What is the statement of the gas law? In the gas law, V is not directly, inversely proportional to P. That whenever you'll increase the V, so it will somehow impact the P. Then it comes the second law, that is the, shall I move here? Charles law. What the Charles law said, that V is directly proportional to T. That whenever you'll increase the volume, the temperature will also increase. Then the third, but not the last law, that is, okay, why my zoom in isn't working? Yeah, now it works. Avogadro law. Avogadro. That volume is directly proportional to number of molecules. The more the volume, the more the number of molecules are there. So these three laws are given to us, and by the reference of these three laws, we create a general term and general equation that is known as gaseous equation or kinetic molecular theory equation. That here you can see that all the equations are proportionate by reference of the volume. So can we just keep volume constant and just proportionate it with T n upon P? Whenever we have to just remove the proportionality, we used to put n constant. Just keep it as K for now, and T n. Here P is multiplying, after going there it will divide. No, here it is dividing, after going there it will multiply. Here, whenever you are talking about the constant, so K is the constant that is given to the general Boyle's law, Charles law, and Avogadro's law. Whenever we are talking about the KMT or the equation, so we give it a constant known as R, that is known as the gaseous constant. Gas constant. And its value is something like 8.14 and something. So PV basically get equal to nRT. So this is the equation that is driven by the combining the Charles law, Avogadro's, and Boyle's law. I hope that you get it, and today's video was short, but that's what an overview can be like. So thank you so much for watching our video, and for the detailed video on these all laws separately, like on Boyle's law, Charles, and Avogadro's law, get into it and research about search about our videos on these topics in detail. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.